Haley.
Still dressed up from work, but we got some more stuff. Let's see what we got here. ABS sensors for the Focus. Red coat for the gas tank. Gas tank is ready to go. This is a fuel tank liner. It coats the inside of my gas tank to help protect it. But I got a surprise because I ordered something for my car. And I kind of hinted to it, but I didn't say a lot about it. Oh, hey, hold on. Oh, my friend from Fire and Gasoline's texting me. So, they came in early.
Big box.
That's a big box.
Oh, I can make a
let's see.
again.
So my kids are cleaning boxes.
I put it on this box. Want me to turn the camera?
Okay.
It's a... Oh, ow. Ew.
It's protection.
Free towel. Yay. Bubble wrap. Every kid's dream.
All right. Here's all the HID stuff.
Whenever you're done.
Beautiful.
My package is coming tomorrow.
It's for new phone.
Go Amazon.
That is a factory Ford Focus HID.
That's just one headlight?
Yes, that's one headlight.
That's like the whole car.
Tab's still there. What?
Zoom in. I think it's...
No, leave it there.
It's in my box.
And if you look, it says left-hand drive, which is American. And it says 12 volt, and they're made by Hella for the Ford company. And the other one will say Hella also on the top. Yep, there it is. Okay. We don't need that. Put it away.
That was already open.
Yeah, that's
Put it down.
old. Okay. Now what these do, in conjunction with these, these are the ballasts. And they just plug right in and bolt to the underside. And we will be good to go. And you'll notice somebody replaced one of the ballasts.
Haley.
That's a replacement ballast. This is a factory style ballast. Alright. We'll do a 4 picture with how crappy these lights were.
Never mind. Oh, I'll spy.
Yeah, and then you turn on the high beams, and they're not even as good as the low beams. The one's pointing like way over there somewhere, and I could never get these damn things aligned right. So, when these popped up, I was rather excited. get them popped in and see how they work. Alright, I gotta find my pile of parts because one of these needs a ballast, but I got the other one going. So, that's it for tonight. We're off to hockey.